Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today, can you see me? Oh no, it's too low. And today we're unboxing Ninebot KickScooter Max scooter, which has electric scooter, 10 front and rear tires, which are, as they say, that it is actually tubeless, built-in front and rear LED lights, dual brake system, weather resistant, IPX5, I pretty much don't know what that means, I guess, and 25 kilometers and 50.5 miles an hour, speed maximum, and 65 kilometers or 40 miles range, which is pretty much what I need. So let's get into this. I guess we need to start from opening the top. Oh, there's no tape here, so it opens quite easy. Okay, let's leave it to the side. Let's drink some beer. Then let's see what do we have here. Okay, what do we have here? We have Ninebot KickScooter limited warranty, information, product manual, user instructions, and UA declaration of conformity. Then we have some screws, which I guess we're gonna use to skew the stem of the scooter. At least that's how they call it. We have extension for air pressure tires. Then we have a power cable. Okay, let's get this side. Let's get that side. Oof. Okay, what do we have here? We have the scooter itself. I guess we have not the scooter itself, but we have the wheel. I guess, oh yeah. Okay, and now we need to screw this up. I can show you how my screws look. Okay. Oh, it's too bright, sorry guys, but yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's... the place. Yeah. And here we... Oh, dude, that's heavy. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's heavy as a... I don't know, heavy duty things. Oh, so that's how we charge it. We pretty much just... Oh, so there's no like power brick. There's no power brick. There's just one simple cable. So that means power brick is inside. Okay, well, that's the decisions made by the engineer, so... Okay. Let's take out that side. Oh man, I'm already liking it. Already. I really don't remember how it was. Oh, yeah. I think I later, if I want to make use of this box, I think I need to rewatch this video. I know, by the way, I know that you don't see anything higher than my waist, so if you're wondering why I'm not showing my face, okay. Oh, so there we have still some wrapping here. Ouch, 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 ouch. That hurt my hand, at least a little bit. Ooh, okay. Okay. And wow, the tires. Damn, I'm gonna pick it up and show you the tires. Damn, the tires are really, really good. Just take a look at the tires. Take a look at the tires. Man, I love it. It's like in car, you know, because they're tubeless. And the maximum weight of this is 110 kilos or 220 pounds. That means even if I'm, you know, I'm fat daddy. So now I'm fat daddy and I can be even fatter. But I don't say that I will, but I can now. Yeah, so it was unboxing of Ninebot by Segway Scooter KickScooter Max. I actually like this unboxing because it was a big box and everything was messy and everything is messy. But somehow I still like to make this video. So thank you for watching. Press like if you like this scooter. Write a comment if you have any questions that I can answer to you. That was good. And subscribe to my channel if you want to support me. If you don't want to support me, write something back in the comments. So yeah, share this video if you have need to share anything. But yeah, subscribe, put a bell icon. That would be really helpful. So that was MDP Tech. Bye.